Hello, learners. I am Teacher Karen, and welcome to your Tagalog journey. Today, we will be discussing about the Filipino alphabets or, in Tagalog, mga alpabetong Filipino. These are the original 20 letters of the Filipino alphabets, and we call it abacada. And this is how we pronounce the alphabets: A, Ba, Ka, Da, E, Ga, Ha, I, La, Ma, Na, Nga, O, Pa, Ra, Sa, Ta, U, Wa, Ya. These are the 28 new alphabets in Filipino, or in Tagalog, ang 28 bagong alpabetong Filipino. There are two letters that you are not familiar with, and that is the ñ, which is a Spanish influence, and the ng. Let's learn how to read the abacada or pagbasa ng abacada. We will start with the vowel, or in Tagalog, patinig. Pa-ti-nig. Patinig. In the English language, we pronounce the vowels as A, E, I, O, U. But in the Tagalog language, we pronounce the vowels or patinig as A, E, I, O, U. Like for the given example, let's have the vowel A. Aso. Aso. For the vowel E, it's elepante. Elepante. For the vowel I, that's ilaw. Ilaw. For the vowel O, it's orasan. Orasan. And for the vowel U, that's ulan. Ulan. Now let's go to the consonant. In Tagalog, it's katinig. Ka-ti-nig. Katinig. Let's read. Or in Tagalog, magbasa tayo. Magbasa tayo. Bata. Bata. Beso. Beso. Bibe. Bibe. Bola. Bola. Bulak. Bulak. Kama. Kama. Keso. Keso. Kilay. Kilay. Kotse. Kotse. Kutsara. Kutsara. Daga. Daga. Dentista. Dentista. Dila. Dila. Doktor. Doktor. Dugo. Dugo. Gamot. Gamot. Gera. Gera. Gitara. Gitara. Goma. Goma. Gulong. Gulong. And those are the examples of reading the vowels and the consonants of the Filipino alphabets. Mahusay. Until next time.